Hi guys, Anastasia here, and today I've got great news for you. My friends Lucas Bigetti and Jan van der Aa are organizing a language challenge that starts this Friday, on Black Friday, and I'm going to take part in it and to learn Croatian language. So if you want to boost your Russian skills, just join me, and if you're interested, keep watching. I will tell you more about it. The challenge will last for 50 days, and during this time you will learn 500 most important, most common words in your target language. Actually, there is a variety of 14 languages, but I think you're more interested in Russian. So you will learn 500 Russian words. And all you need is just to click on the link in the description and then sign up. You will get VocaBooster. It's a course for beginners. There are 500 words in this course with example sentences in Russian and in English, with MP3 files, and also decks for Anki for interval revision. And you get all of these. The price is $59, but only these days guys gave me special promo code, coupon name. It's Anastasia. So if you use this coupon name, you can get 50% discount. So it will be less than $30. And you sign up for this course, you choose your language, and then you should learn 10 new words every day. The guys will add you to group on Facebook, and we all will send our screenshots from Anki decks to prove that we have actually learned these words. So in the end, all the people who do it for 50 days, who will actually learn 500 words, they all will get a free VocaBooster in any other language they wish. So I think it's a great offer. You get 2 VocaBoosters just for less than $30. So if you guys don't know what Anki deck is, or you have some doubts about VocaBooster, I'll leave links in the description below, and you can watch videos to find it out, to get more information about it. And don't forget that you have just 2 days to use this coupon, Anastasia. And I would like to tell you my personal opinion about VocaBooster. I am sure that this is the best selection ever of the words for beginners, because I have never seen any book or any language course with a better choice of words. Usually you get too many nouns, you get too many unnecessary words, but the guys have a great experience in traveling, in communicating with different people all over the world, and they really understand what words you need when you first start speaking in your target language, when you first meet new people. Yeah, that's really great. So it's my opinion, I recommend it to you, and you can join us. I wish you good luck, keep boosting your Russian, and see you in the next videos. Bye!